I'm going to switch you off.
There you go.
I'm going to switch you on.
Thank you. Here I come.
Right! This is our part and need to stand back over there.
Okay.
Daddy.
Oh, Daddy.
Right! We're going to do this part and softball. Mommy, we're going to get our things. We're going to get our things out and do it straight away, Mommy.
Have you plugged your vac in?
No, not yet. I'm going to plug it in like this. Plug. Right. Let's get everything out of our Hoovers. Get your things out of the Hoovers.
Right, ready?
Get the things out of the Hoovers. Like I am. Get the things out
Don't
of
get the hose out.
Hoovers. Yes, the hose out. Like that hose.
Okay.
You better stand back over there because this is our important job for us. Right? Just
Keep brushing.
mop again.
My turn?
No, I need to spray some oil on so we can hold it up. Now you can hold it.
You might need to move your tools a little bit.
So for the view, I'm going to use the picture. I'm going to just everything underneath it. It's a portion of for me.
Okay, okay.
But it's a portion of for you.
I'll do this bit under here.